Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix the problem you might be having with Google Forms if it says the web page is not available. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we're going to go and be opening up the main page of Google Forms right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here in the upper right corner. We can get started. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and sign up for an account, and if you already have a Google account, you can just log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started with opening up everything we need. So it's going to go ahead and be greeting you with this homepage right here. We can get started with creating a new form if we need it. If we have recent forms right here, we can get started with opening it up and them up as well. So basically what do you do if you keep getting error once you open up a form? If it doesn't look like this, if you get the error that the web page is not available, there are a couple of solutions you can try, but basically guys, it all revolves around one thing. Basically, here is an article showing us troubleshooting common issues with Google Forms if we cannot open it up, and if we have a problem with the web page opening up, you want to clear your browser cache and cookies. So what you want to do is go into your history tab in the upper right corner and clear all your browser cache and cookies going into the history tab by clearing them and checking your internet connection. Once you have done that, you want to reload the form, open up the form again and log into your account. Once you have checked that everything is working, open up the form and it should be probably working. Here you have some other additions as well, maybe just the platform is down, maybe Google is down, and so on. Basically, it's always going to revolve around connectivity issues such as the internet and so on. If the web page is not opening up, that's going to be the main cause, so you can try those options as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.